Alright guys, welcome to this video. My name is Maren Driavits and welcome at the honesttrader.eu YouTube channel. So I am really happy and glad that you're here. Today we'll do a quick analysis. Actually, we will not go through all the major and minor pairs, but I've just prepared the list of a few which are the most potential, okay? But before we start, I would like you to ask to subscribe down below because we really have a goal to hit at 10,000 subscribers. So click the subscribe down below. You can also click a notification bell because really this channel is really all about transparently sharing valuable information, how to really become a wealthy Forex trader. So how to build wealth by trading Forex. So we're here price action traders, technical analysis traders, and I'm really happy that you are here today because you will get a very interesting insights about the price action market. Is really interesting recently. So let's just get started with the analysis. Okay, so let's start with the Aussie dollar on a daily time frame. Actually, we are on a weekly time frame. And as you can see on a weekly time frame, we are having a nice swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Okay, and price reached this recent resistance area. All right. And this is a great opportunity for us to go short, of course, when we get a valid signals. Firstly, we wait for breakout of this channel, of this consolidation, as you can see right here. Okay, and hopefully we will get sort of a breakout to the downside so that we are able to short after the breakout so that it is safe, right? Or we get certain daily candle pattern which is signaling to the downside. So this is a very basic price action trade. Looking forward for Aussie dollar to go short. Euro dollar, we are on a daily downtrend. Actually, it's a weekly downtrend. The price is creating lower low, lower high for quite some time, but it has a period. So you can see a periods of sideways movement, and we are right here in this area right now. Still, we have here a support acting as a resistance. So we are in a resistance zone, a good potential to go short. But I would warn you, this I call this fluffing, channeling sideways movement. It's pretty unpredictable right now. So wait for some clarification or trade on a lower time frame where the swing highs and swing lows are cleaner. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on a euro pound. Okay, the euro pound is actually, let's just draw this recent trend line. Okay, the euro pound rejected this daily major trend line with a nice two swings. Okay, and the third touch is here. If you know from the course, from the tree combo, you know that the third touch is the valid. Okay, the third touch is the valid. Okay, so we are whether trading right out of it or as we are taught, we trade on a lower time frames. Okay, but what I would warn you, if you're trading with a tree combo system, this bullish leg is pretty strong. Of course, the bearish movement is also the retracement is good, but be aware of it. Be aware because we might get some retracement to the upper side, retest, double top, and things like that. Okay, so just be aware of that. Because the problem I'm seeing here is that this impulse leg breaks these two swing highs, so it is a conflicting situation. And if you know, we are not trading very much conflicting situations, or at least with a much smaller risk. Okay, so that's it. Pound dollar daily time frame. So in a pound dollar daily time frame, I've noticed this a very nice widening channel. And as you can see, price recently almost touched it, okay, and rejected. And what I'm personally interested is really only trading from these highs, okay, or trading a bounces from these lows, and that's it. And this is really a beauty of a raw price action trading, okay. So very simple, very straightforward. And as I'm saying, I mean, I say many times, right, that make your trading simple. Okay, make your trading simple and tell the market what it has to happen in order for you to enter. Okay, so I've created the rules. When price will reach this resistance trend line or this supportive trend line, I'm going to look I'm open to look for trading opportunities. Otherwise, I'm staying away, okay? So this is a little bit different approach, and it's actually very much working because you are in charge, okay? Otherwise, the market is in charge. If you have too many strategies, too many systems, or very chaotic trading, and market is doing just up and down and things like that, you do not know what to do. You have to structure your trading in a way that you tell the market, this has to happen in order for me to enter trade. Okay, extremely not important, but very valuable. Okay, next, very powerful setup is approaching on a New Zealand dollar, so the Kiwi. We've got a very nice daily major trend line. Look at that, and the third touch is going to be right here. And also here we have a very nice structure, which is very powerful, but not seen on a daily, but on a 4-hourly. Look at that respect. Okay, here and here. Okay, here also price reacted to it. Okay, right here, some here. Okay, it's a zone. Okay, it's not the line, it's a zone. It is a very powerful structure. Okay, right here. This is a very from 2018 structure. Okay, so it is relatively strong but minor. Okay, this is good to know. And we are waiting for price to exhaust, making high, but exhaust here, and then to look for shorting. You're right. Okay, that's it. USD CAD. USD CAD on a daily time frame really approached this major support on a daily time frame. So we have a nice swings, very predictable. Price is exhausting, dipping well into structure. We like to see that. I like to see this kind of a week. Now bullish candles, two bullish candles in a row. Still not very powerful, but bullish candles in a row. Okay, so the three combo traders, look at that, powerful, just powerful. Divergence is here, 100% sure. Decline and the weakening of the strength is right here. The price action is becoming flat. There's a channel, right? As you can see, and we are waiting for price to break through that. Wait for the retracement and then go. You are right. Long, right? It's the the opposite to the Aussie dollar, right? So this is a very good opportunity. Or whether we'll get a daily candle, bullish candle pattern. That's it, okay? CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss actually approached a very powerful daily structure. Resistance line right here, you can see, okay? And it's even from the past, right? It's even stronger than it looks like, okay? So this is, look, if we're just looking like that, we do not know. But if we zoom out, okay, then we see, okay, what's going on, right? So price reached that area, was rejected first time, second time, created a bearish candle, first bearish candle. If you remember from the videos, from the past videos, you can go check it out. We talk a lot about candlestick patterns. This candle pattern is the strongest among all of these. Okay, all of these, yes, this is stronger, but this one now is taking charge. And we've got a hit of a structure and very nice dip, very good. Now we are looking for ways how to get short, okay? I personally will wait for price to break these lows to this structure and wait for setup below there, okay? Because price might retest this and make a double bottom or triple top or double top and things like that. So it's really up to you, okay? And some traders also enter on this kind of candles. So this is also okay. Okay, pound Aussie is on a weekly powerful support area. Look at that, okay? Just look at that, okay? This doesn't happen very often, okay? So I narrow picked the setups for you today so that we're very much focused. We've got impulse lag, we've got exhaustion wave, the second wave, and now price action on the daily is already creating, as you remember from the course, from the other videos, and yes, also we talk about that in the course. We have these 3 or 4 fold candles. So bearish candle, weakening, and bullish candle. Still, I would like to see more of a bullishness in order to get long, but the location is good, the context is good, the price action is flat. Okay, still this candle on a 4-hourly time frame is not looking okay. Okay, so I don't like this candle at all, not at all. Okay, because it's too strong. This candle is the strongest among all of these candles compared to this one. Yes, but anyway, when the price hits the support like that, I want to see bullishness, strong bullishness. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to break this resistance to the upside. And then what? You're right, going long. Okay. So that's it. Pound New Zealand, pretty much the same weekly powerful support. Price just reached it. Okay, this candle looks very good, but this candle is too strong. So we have to look what kind of a candles are approaching and are sitting on a structure. That tells us a lot. That tells us a lot about the structure. Okay, please remember this. When the price reaches the structure, look for the strength of the candles. If there are too many bearish candles on a support, that means there's lots of bearish power still, right? Of course, sometimes price returns like extremely bearish candle, bullish candle, and then complete reversal. But, okay, usually there's a smooth transition. So what I usually do is I wait for the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, and as you can see, here's a trend line. Okay, and we also have it right here. So breaking of this trend line would be very beneficial, and we could get a very high risk-reward ratio trade in this manner. Okay, and the last pair, it's a New Zealand Swiss on a weekly time frame. New Zealand Swiss just reached a very powerful weekly trend line, guys. Look at that. This is on a weekly time frame. Look at that strength of this trend line. Price was just magnetized to this weekly trend line, right? And we've also got a very nice weekly candle pattern, very nice weekly entry actually with a high risk reward. Okay. Also the daily created this weakening and pin bar. This candle is not very good. I mean, I really don't like that. But we've got a double tap into this, so it's more seen on a 4-hourly time frame. Okay, price reached it and created a double top, and now creating a lower low, lower high. So this is a really, we call it a double break. Okay, this is really a powerful way of entering. This is a double break entry. It's a powerful, and it's actually an area for entry around this and the stop losses above and milking the profits to the downside. So it's a perfect 3-combo setup. So that's it. We've come to the end, guys. If you would like to see more these kind of videos, I will do my best to post regularly weekly analysis videos and also the valuable content for you to become a better trader. If you would like to know more and see more, firstly subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know what are your issues, what would you like to know more about, where you're currently at it. Okay, and also you can always reach me out. So that's it. This was my small contribution to you guys, and looking forward to seeing the next video. Stay safe.